Okay.
Use your fingers, poke it down. Make it really flat. Poke, 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 poke.
Poke, 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 poke.
Is that good and flat?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy's gonna cut this up. Watch your fingers.
Thank you, Daddy, helping me get some water.
Yeah, you like noodles?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, bring this guy over here. Let's get a little flour on him. Okay?
Flour. Yes,
There.
exactly.
Now poke that with your fingers until it's flat. Poke, poke, poke.
Thank you, Daddy, helping me get some celery.
Yep, keep poking that one right there. Poke that one until it's flat. Okay?
All right.
Chicken soup. Okay, did you make this one flat? Okay, poke it down.